behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Qualification match 23. We have our 6th seed on the red alliance and our 1st seed on the blue. We'll see which of these teams can keep their top 8 spots at the end of the game. The autonomous period ends with a blue lead of 22-9. Red alliance trying to make up that gap. The E-Tech Chargers with a note in their possession looking to score into their speaker. Unfortunately, it does bounce out, but 8-10, their alliance partner, picking up that note and trying to score it into their amp. Dropped off successfully into their amp, and the E-Tech Chargers also scored into the red speaker. Meanwhile, on the other side of the speaker, we got the O-Bots with a note in their possession, lining up to their speaker, trying to score it for 2 points. Unfortunately, the shot is off to the right and goes sailing out of the field. Meanwhile, on the red alliance, we have 2 notes already in the amp. The E-Tech Chargers looking to pick up a note to score into a possibly amped speaker. They have the note, they're lining up, and they score. Unfortunately, the amp does not go off. Meanwhile, on the blue side of the field, we have the Hurricanes scoring a note into their speaker before zooming off to their source zone to acquire another note. Their alliance partners, the Austining O-Bots, with a note in their possession at the blue subwoofer, looking to get some points for their alliance. E-Tech Chargers on red get a point into their speaker. Their alliance partner, 8-10, dropping a note off into the amp. E-Tech Chargers dropping yet another note into their speaker before turning around to pick up a note off the ground and deliver it into their amp. Lots of collisions happening in the middle of the field. Let's see if we see any flags waving. 8-10 scoring a note into the Red Alliance speaker before heading off in search of another note from the source zone. Their alliance partner 9642 with a note in their possession. We have 2 spotlit microphones, one from each alliance. Let's see if the alliances are able to capitalize off of these spotlit stages. With a score of just 1 point lead, 39-38. Very close game, folks. Aftershock actually falling down to 2nd place after this match as a result of the